Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make money by promoting Shein fashion? In today's video, I will show you how to sign up for the Shein affiliate program step by step and start earning commissions in 2025. Whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, or social media creator, this is for you. The Shein affiliate program lets you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Commission rates usually range from 10 to 20% depending on the product and platform. You can promote through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs, or websites. No need to hold inventory or deal with shipping. Shein does it all. You just promote. Now, in your search bar, search for affiliate.shein.com or search for Shein affiliate. Then click the first link. You will land on the official Shein affiliate program page. Now sign up with one step like Instagram, Facebook, or your Twitter account. Click start earning. But it's only accessible on mobile devices, not for PC. So download the Shein app from your Google App Store. You will need an active account or profile where you will promote like a social media handle, blog, or YouTube channel. Choose how you want to sign up, email or social media. Fill in details, full name, fill in details, full name, email address, your promotional platform URL or handle, preferred payout method like PayPal, bank transfer, accept the terms and conditions, click register or submit. Make sure your email and website social link are accurate. They will check it before approving you. After submitting your application, Shein's affiliate team usually takes 1 to 3 business days to review. You will get an email confirmation when you are approved. Sometimes they ask for extra information like your audience size or how you plan to promote. Just be honest and clear. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard, go to get links and campaign or campaigns, search for products or categories to promote, click generate link to get your custom affiliate URL, copy and paste into your content, YouTube descriptions, Instagram bios, blogs, etc. Use link shortener like Bitly or tools like Linktree to organize and track multiple links. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage easy passive income. From your dashboard, you can monitor clicks, orders, revenue, commissions earned. Payments are made monthly or weekly depending on platform once you hit the minimum threshold, usually around $50. And that's it. You are now part of the Shein affiliate program. Keep creating stylish content, share your links, and watch your earnings grow. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more affiliate marketing guides, and comment below if you want tutorials to promoting products on TikTok or how to grow your affiliate income fast. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.